Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com. There's my phone number and website. So, I have another Kenwood Tl922 in for repair. I had a mouse living in it. Customer cleaned it out, and I don't see any chewed up wires or anything, but he cleaned the leftovers from the mouse, and I have to go through it, do some additional cleaning on some of the components. Ground the grids. One of the tubes had flashed. Plate the grid. You can see the choke, it's all congealed. You can see into one blob. Normally it's a 2-pie type choke. You can see the damage looking right through the envelope of the tube between the plate and the grid. Turn it on. I always check the filament transformer to make sure the winding, the 80 volt winding's okay. So the electrolytic was shorted, so luckily I didn't leave it on too long. Ended up putting a temporary one in. Transformer's fine. I disconnected the lead to the Zener diode, made sure that was okay. To resolder all of that. Has a bad band switch. Contact over here is blown apart. For the pattern on the plate side. We'll go for the lower bands. 80/160. So I'll do all the other stuff I do to it, and then I'll be back and show you the completed amplifier. He also wants me to do the 10 meter mod, so I'll do that too at the same time. So this thing needs a lot of work. I'll be back. See you soon. Hey everybody, I'm back with the completed amplifier. So I did all of the modifications I normally do. I changed the band switch. I cleaned the plates on the air variable. No burn marks on this, but it was really dirty, so I cleaned it. There was some stuff stuck in the plates on this one. Can't really get in there like I did with this one, but looks okay. So tested, produces full output on all bands. You can see the series glitch resistor, strap over here. I cleaned the socket clips, they were corroded, so those are clean. See the new band switch there. There's the old band switch. As you can see, contacts are blown apart right here on this side. I'll zoom in here. So it's all set with the new one. Check the SO239 connectors, they're good. The 10 meter modification, that shows the 10 meters. All the meter lights are good. Standby on air lamps are good. Yeah, so I will flip it over and I will show you the bottom. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the bottom. See the new band switch. Strap. You have to take that cap out, and then the cap on the other side, that's connected to the base of the plate choke. To install that, did the self-bias modification, cleaned the contacts on that relay, grounded the grids. Like I said before, I cleaned the socket clips. Did some corrosion on the inside connection points. Changed the electrolytic, checked the Zener diode. Clean the contacts on that relay, the 10 meter mod. So this thing is all set. I have another one on the way, another 922 and an Ameritron. I'm working on a lot of these. These are great amps. I had to put the multi-band thing to the side for a sec, and my own personal project to the side. So actually both of those are personal projects. So the two multi-band boxes. So I'll be starting on a 6 meter mono band project, which is for a customer, so I'll be showing that on here. So if you'd like to stay up to date on that, please subscribe so you'll be able to see when the videos pop up. It'll be a multi-video series. Trust me, it will be very interesting. So thanks for watching. Here's my website and my phone number. amprepairguy.com. If you need an amplifier repaired please, only amplifiers you see in my videos. I don't work on sweep tube amps, and you know, I don't work on a lot of ham amps that you can't get tubes for anymore. You know, so you know, certain amps I just don't touch because it's just too difficult to source the parts for. So if you see the amplifier on my YouTube channel, most likely then it's an amplifier I still service. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to call me anytime, any day. Well, except for please don't call me late at night as I'm sleeping. But you know, Saturday, Sunday, I try to pick up. You know, if you have an amp that you want to send in for repair, feel free to call. I don't really get into any technical advice over the phone. It's too dangerous. I've had people, there's one guy that got hurt working on something one time, and it's just too much of a liability. Stuff like this, if you don't know what you're doing, can kill you easily. So I don't get involved in that stuff over the phone anymore. So, like I said, if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. And, you know, like, share, and subscribe. And when those videos pop up, you'll know right away. Like, take care. It's amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. And I'm trying to keep the shop clean. I'm waiting for this guy to get back from vacation so I can ship that. It's already finished and paid for. But, so, staying busy here. Summer's almost over, so I'll be making a lot more videos once the summer goes away and the cold moves in. I hate the cold. All right. Take care. 73.